Take me to the forest green. I need to feel their healing balm, to soak in groves of dappled sheen and wallow in their soothing calm. Take me to the mountains high. I need to stretch and strain and strive, to rise up where the eagles fly, and burst with joy to be alive. Take me to the wilderness. I need the space to be alone, to tap the vein of nature's bliss and slip into the mindful zone. Take me to the beach's gold. I need to feel the sun's warm rays, to dive into the ocean's cold and drift on lunar tidal sways. Take me to the valleys cool. I need to rest within their shade, to cast ideas into a pool and watch them ripple till they fade. Take me to the desert sand. I need to clear my cluttered mind, to see the beauty in the bland and treasure secrets that I find. Take me to the alpine snow. I need to breathe its pristine chill, to thaw my soul while embers glow and feel the pure adrenal thrill. Take me into nature's arms. I need to feel her love embrace, to shelter from life's daily harms and gaze upon her wizened face.